Hi, Dad.
Guys,
What are you
magluto tayo
cooking?
ng sopas, guys.
Sopas. Wow, yummy. Eh?
Hindi pa tapos yan.
Yum. Ginisa-gisa lang ang chicken at yummy guys. Sa malamig na panahon. Ayan, may sayote at carrots at
Lagyan natin ng...
cabbage. At ano yan? Repolyo. At lagyan natin yung balls. Sarap. Sarap. Kang sarap guys. Medyo malambot na ang ating noodles. Ilagay na natin carrots at sayote. Yummy. Yan na. At pakuluan muna natin. Tapos Daddy? Pakuluan lang saglit.
Pakulan saglit, tapos ilagay ang repolyo, saka lagyan ng konting gatas.
Okay. Guys, ilagay na natin ang ating repolyo. Sarap ang sustansya ng sopas kasi maraming gulay. Ayan, halo-haluin lang natin. Pan muna natin ito saglit. Lagay na rin natin itong rice balls. Ayan, favorite yan ng mga kiddos. Favorite nila. Lagyan natin ng gatas guys. Ayan, gatas ng mga bata at gatas na rin namin. Estimate lang guys. Baka kayo na bahala mag-estimate kung gaano karaming gatas ang gusto nyo ilagay.
Okay.
Ayan, mix muna natin. At pakuluan. Ayan na guys. Tikman natin. Naku guys, napakasarap. Ayan, oh my goodness. Ang sarap-sarap talaga. Ayan na guys, ang sarap ng sopas as in. Okay, so. Tara guys, kain tayo. Sarap. Ayan na guys, kainan na. How is it? Good? You love the sopas? You love the sopas? Yummy. Hi, Jacob.
Hi, because I eating rice ball.
For today's video. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Again, be? Again?
Hi, guys.
Because I eating rice ball.
Hi, guys. For today's video, I'm eating rice balls. Yan. Naubos na nila ang rice balls. So, gusto kasi nila yan. Kuya. Yummy. You have to drink the soup, Kuya, also.
Simba, yeah.
Yeah, that's very healthy. That's it, guys.